Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Look what I'm whipping up. This is America. Don't got you slipping up. Look how I'm living up.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Nikki or Nami, whichever you prefer. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Face Chart Friday. Today's face chart is going to be very easy here and simple-ish. The hard part is here. So let's all wish me luck. As always, I take all the face charts I've been sent. I pick 2 and then I do polls on Instagram. And obviously on the poll, chart 2 won. And that's the one I'm going to be doing. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw the charts and blah, 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 blah. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you can find me at NikkiNami_MUE. It will be down in the description box as well as my Snapchat. So, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so at first I was going to use the purple shade from Jeffree Star Cosmetics You Better Work, but instead I changed my mind because in the picture, as you can see, the purple on top of the lips looks a little bit darker. So I'm going to be using the shade I'm Royalty, which is also from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And this is the finished look. I'm definitely not going to be wearing this lip to work because I just can't. However, I'm liking this pink. I'm liking this pink a lot. Holy cow, my nose is bright. It'd be like that sometimes. And I didn't have any lashes that look like the lashes in the face chart, but I did add lashes today. And I haven't put on false lashes in forever. So it took me 15 minutes just to put on this one. This one it took about 3 minutes, but it took me 15 minutes to put on just one. And yeah, so now I'm totally over false lashes at this point. Just go ahead and get lash extensions because good lord. But I haven't worn this much pink since Valentine's Day, I believe. I like this though. This is very, I don't know. I have no idea what I'm going to title this look. I'll get help from my students. That's what I usually do. I ask my 8, 9, and 10-year-old. I have a class where it's an 8-year-old, a 9, or a 10-year-old. And I usually ask them to name my looks if I can't come up with a name. So if the name sounds weird, it's because, you know, they create these names and I use them. And then they get so excited when I show them. But yeah, I like this look. I like it a lot. I got to use the pink from the Beauty Killer palette, which I haven't used in a while. Can't remember the name of that shade. Is it Star Power? Probably not. It's some name that was obviously in the video before when all the editing and putting the names in went through. So then you saw the name, but I can't remember the name right now because I'm filming this way before I edit. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye.